Oh, hello. Welcome into my workshop and welcome to the show Creations of Clay. My name is Louis Palladini, and today we're going to finish painting the manatee that we made just recently. I'm going to show you how to paint that from start to finish, and I'll show you the types of paints that we're going to be using today. We have the paints down here. We have a dark gray, we have a lighter gray, we have a brown, and then like a reddish brown, and then the black for the eyes. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the very dark gray color. We're going to paint that. So I'm going to just put that right there. We'll start with that, the dark gray. And then we're just going to cover the whole thing. Yeah, it's looking good. So now, I'm going to take this, a little extra paint in my hands, but I'm going to take the little blow dryer and I'm going to do the back of it first. Now that we've blown dry that, we're going to lighten them up with a lighter gray. So I'm going to take this, put a little light gray there. Now I'm going to take the light gray. We're just going to dab a little bit here and there. See that? Just go it over a little bit. It's starting to really take shape nicely. Okay, so now I want to blow dry this. Now that that's in good shape, now we're going to take a dark brown and I'm going to use a little bit of that on here. I'm going to put that right there. Just going to flick over it like that. See that? Kind of flick that over. Just flick it. Just kind of do that. Just do it ever so slightly. I'll flip them around. See that now? It's coming on real nice. Now I want to do like a lighter reddish brown. I'm going to put that right here. So we just add some variation there. I'm just going to flick it around the side like that. See that? Now, the next thing that we want to do is, I'll just quickly blow dry this. The next thing that we want to do is we want to use some of the black color for the eyes and the inside of the mouth and like the nostrils and things. So I'll put a little bit of black paint right there. And so now we're going to paint the inside of the mouth black. See this? Just want to Then we'll do the underside of the mouth now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the eyes. See that? And then we'll do the eye over here. So we've done the eyes. Now I want to get the nostrils. The nostrils are here right in front. So you just put the brush inside where the nostril area is. Just going to add a little more. See that? So get the nostril area. Then there's another area on the flippers that I want to get. We made some little indentations here when we did the flippers. So I want to just, for the nails, so I just want to dab that. We'll do them one more time. So we did that one. And now I want to flip it over to the other side and do the other one. And I hit this right here. Just dab it ever so slightly. And where the little indentations were the flipper. Yep, that looks good now. And I will show you what the final version will look like now. This is the final version of the Manatee. So this is what the back looks like. See this? This is the left side. That's the right side. That's what you want the underside to look like. Now on the face, you can see the eyes. So I did the eye on both sides. And then you see how we did the nostrils. And we painted the inside of the mouth the black color. So that's what your manatee should look like at the end of the process. And I do want to thank you for coming to the show Creations in Clay. And I do look forward to seeing you again next week. Goodbye for now.